Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Subhashri Das, welcoming you back to my channel Emotions Unplugged with the same tagline, It's Time to Speak. Over here I'm again back to the second episode of my chapter Relations, the role and the importance of relationship in our life. In the last episode I spoke a lot, shared my thoughts, what exactly is relationship, how to move on with the relationship. Now actually I thought of sharing something this time, something about how relationship becomes stronger. What exactly are in your language, the strategies, the techniques? Actually there are no strategies and techniques as far as my knowledge is concerned when I'm sharing my experience over here. I always feel like speaking what I feel, what I go through, what I see in the life. When we are talking about relationship, have you ever thought of giving a real definition of what is exactly true love? One whom we love, one for whom we care, one who is close with us. Sometimes when I analyze these statements, I just value it by saying that it is a feeling. जिसको बोलते हैं ना एक एहसास. When we are loving someone from the deep core of our heart and soul, one thing we should be very sure that there is no need of expecting something in return. When I love someone, I feel that I am complete. Why I am complete? Because my love, my feeling for the person or for someone, there is no mixture, there is no diversities, there is no variation. It's complete. If I do feel that, I do feel like confessing to my commitment that yes, I am full in love, then what is wrong in moving ahead with the relationship? Problem arises when we think about, when we desire something from someone. बोलते हैं ना, true love is itself मुकम्मल. It is a feeling. You don't need to go on giving the clarion call that yes, I'm in love, I'm in a relationship, I want this, I want that. No, nothing is essential, nothing. Just feel that you are in love and that is itself complete. Then it would be as if the journey of the life will become much more smooth. The path will become smoother and smoother, and it would be easier in accepting and acknowledging the relations. The moment I'll start thinking that okay, those people are very close to me, they are very near to me, they love me so much, why should not I expect that from them? No. जहाँ पे expectations आ जाता है ना, there itself the obstacles, the barriers, the hurdles in the path of relationship starts up. Expectations को छोड़ दीजिए. आप प्यार करते हैं तो you should realize that you are complete in that. You have given your fullest, your complete being, your existence, that you can give a place for someone in your mind, your heart and your soul. That is itself complete. The purpose of giving this short of narration is making you to better understand what is exactly the relationship and its meaning and its importance in our life. Everyone, some or other day, some or other moment, fall in love. But how do we move on with that in our life? That is a major ingredient, perhaps I think, to keep all the relationship intact and to move on with a positivity. Because I always believe in positivity. कुछ बुरा हुआ है तो आगे कुछ अच्छा ही है. It's exactly thinking about moving on and sharing good relationship bonding. It's not an easy job. It's really a difficult job. But once you start understanding the value of it, the importance within your life and within your periphery, then it becomes easier, smoother. Hopefully, I'll again come back with another episode of my relationship chapter very soon with some or other thoughts to make you realize what exactly and how exactly love and relationship are connected with each other. But again, I would not hesitate to share. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and give your comment. Meeting you very soon with my next chapter of relationship and love connection. Till then, have a great day. Bye. Thank you. Hope we'll be meeting very soon.